Never want to miss a credit card payment or pay a late fee? Setting up Autopay is a 5-minute task that gives you permanent peace of mind. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Chase Online account or mobile app. Navigate to your credit card account, and find Autopay under the Payments or Account Management section. You'll link your bank account, then choose what to pay, the minimum payment, statement balance, to avoid all interest, or a fixed amount. Finally, choose when to pay, usually on the due date. Confirm, and you're set. My crucial pro tip: still review your statements monthly. Autopay is for convenience, not neglect. Set a monthly reminder to open your statement and scan for fraudulent charges or errors. Let Autopay handle the payment, but you handle the oversight. Automate the routine and protect your credit score effortlessly. Do you use Autopay for all your bills, or just certain ones? For more guides on financial automation, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.